So this is a telescope that can look at the sun. This telescope can only look at the sun. It can't do anything else. And I'm trying to get it centered because it's really, really hard to look down the eyepiece with a cell phone. Let's see, I see it. The branches that you're actually the black part in front of the sun, those are branches from a tree that the sun is slightly behind. There we go. And so this is taken through a telescope that only looks at the sun. It's called a hydrogen alpha solar telescope, and it's made by Coronado. You can get them for about $500 or $600, not including the fancy eyepiece I put here to be able to look down the tube even better. So it's a really cool telescope, and again, it only looks at the sun. And there aren't any sunspots on today, but when there are, you can see sunspots, you can see solar flares, you can see all kinds of super cool stuff. Let's see if I can get it centered down the eyepiece again. It's actually really hard for a person to look down the eyepiece too, let alone a cell phone. Oh, there it is. Okay, and you can see sunspots and flares and all kinds of cool stuff. And it's super easy to put together. This whole unit comes as one, and you just put it on a tripod. This tripod has a couple of different parts. It's got knobs that make it tilt and rotate, and it also has a place for an eyepiece. How do you point something like this accurately is actually kind of a cool trick. So once you have your telescope mounted onto the tripod down here, what you do is you look at the shadow. Here, you can see my shadow here. See? Hi! And what you do is you align it so it makes the smallest shadow possible. So obviously that's not looking at the sun. So you want to make the smallest shadow possible, right? So that's not right. So you kind of center the tube, put it here, and then there's a little hole in the side here that allows light to come through so you can see it on the display. So the sun, when it's shining, this little white dot here, that means it's really close. And then you can look through the eyepiece and use these little knobs here to really fine-tune it. And so that's how you aim something at the sun without directly looking at it, because obviously that would not be a good idea. So there you have it. A really simple, easy way to look at the sun. Now, most people don't have one of these, but you can usually pick up a solar viewer for $1, and they'll have these at like science stores and so forth, and you'll look up at the sun through one of these, and you'll see that it blocks out most of the light, but you can still see the dot. Now, using this technique, you can also look at different the sunspots, but they obviously won't be as big as they were through this telescope. So solar viewers is another cool way to go too. All right, enough for now. I'll see you next time.